kids, welcome to my channel. So today we learn ae-se-anar, ae-se-aam. Colors name. We have so many colors here. First color is orange color. Second is brown color. Third is dark blue color. Fourth is pink color. Fifth is light blue color. Sixth is neon color. And seventh is red color. Let's start. ऐसे अनार रेड कलर आ से आम ब्लू कलर छोटी से इमली छोटी से imali. Now we draw ae-se-anar. Now we draw aa-se-aam. Now छोटी से इमली अनार रेड कलर we fill red color in anar. Brown color here and here in stem and on bottom. And green color for leaves. ऐसे anar. Now time for aam. Now we will color in aam. aa-se-aam. Aam. For stem we use brown color, and for leaves we use again green color. Now time for imli. छोटी से imli. For imli we use brown color, for leaves we use green color. Choti se imli. So kids, what we learned today? We learned ae-se-anar. What color we fill in anar? ae-se-anar. Anar is red color. aa-se-aam. Aam is yellow color. Choti se imli. Imli is brown color. So kids, hope you like my video. If you like my video, so please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye.